welcome back to my channel. It's acrylic painting with Julie E, which is me, and I am so excited today because I got these in the mail. They are my split cups from Marcy at Mixed Media Girl. I will leave a link in the description where you can also purchase your own at, and we're gonna have some fun playing with these today. I've got a ton of leftover paint and excited to get going. Thanks for joining me, guys. Let's get to it. Okay, we are back, and these are all a mixture of leftover paints, and I'm going to repurpose an old canvas that I don't care for. And this looks black, but it's not. It's a really super deep navy that was made with leftover black and a whole bunch of different blues. So we've got that one. And then this is like turquoise deep and dazzling metallics peacock and probably some aquamarine. This one is quinacridone nickel azo gold. I always want to say orange, but it's not. It's nickel azo gold. And some Arteza, like tangerine orange, pearl tangerine orange, something like that. This is the only straight color that was left over, and it is Amsterdam Reflex Rose. This is Deco Art Americana Pearl, but probably a combination of mixed pouring medium and school glue pouring medium, which are pretty much all of these. And then this is a combination of different purples, and I think there's a magenta or two in there too. So, just going to use them up. Don't want to waste them. So I'm going to flood my canvas with this one. Then I'm going to pop that in the center. And I'm going to layer this 4-chamber, 1, 2, 3, 4, yep, I can count, 4-chamber split cup from Mixed Media Girl. And I'm going to pour it over the top of this and see what we get. Just a fun experiment. Hope you enjoy it. I'll see you on the other side. I fudged it up. Oh well. All right. That's pretty freaking cool. You don't have the feathery details in it. There's a little bit there. My mix is off. Well, what do you expect when you've got a combination of just about every pouring medium there is all mixed together? But it was fun. It's definitely different. I'm all about different. I love different. It's bright too. I love those colors. I thought I was gonna get nothing but mud. If I can get more of that kind of baby blue color off the corners, I will be happy. Yeah, that baby blue. I don't care for that. Don't mind it running through parts of it, but just don't care for that corner. You don't like it next to that orange or copper, whatever it is that came out. It's gone, almost. Almost. Okay, one more spin the other way. There we go. I like that. I like that much better. Yeah, I wasn't a fan of that, whatever color this pastel blue is through here. I wasn't a fan of that right next to this coppery orange mixture that's in there. I can live with this. That's pretty neat. Okay. Torch it, see if anything comes up. There's a lot of metallics in here, so who knows if anything will show up, if they cancel each other out, or if they all compete. We'll see. Yeah, it looks like some stuff's trying to work its way up. Okay, I think that's all the bubbles. Cool. I love this Amsterdam Reflux Rose. God, I love that. And right in between purple and orange color, it's just magical. Magical. Love it. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit for dry results. Be back in a snap. Okay, I am back with dry results. Check that out. Is that pretty? I don't know if the sunlight is picking up the shimmer or not. It's so pretty. But yeah, there we have it. My first split cut pour. I think it's super pretty. I think I like it this way better. Or that way. That way's pretty. That way's really pretty. Okay, we're back inside where the dogs aren't barking, and I just love this. I love the shine that this gets through here. I love the reflex rose bright pink lines that go through, and then everything else kind of fades out. I love the transparency in this corner. You see that? You've got some green that mixed in, some of the magenta, the baby blue. Just really pretty. And there it is. Hope you enjoyed it. I had a blast with my first split cut pour. So please go check out Mixed Media Girl. She has a shop on Etsy where you can buy these split cups, and they're pretty reasonable and really sturdy. I really like them. Okay, till next time guys, loves and hugs y'all. Bye!